Welcome to VF Properties. We want to show you around the neighborhood that you could call home. We think you're going to love it as much as we do. Clean, safe, and just steps from the Clark campus. Here we are at Downing Street, where we have 3 multifamily buildings and 1 single-family home. Turning the corner, we reach 54 and 56 Florence Street. And just around the corner, we have one more building to show you, 46 Maywood Street. We hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you for coming along. Please visit vfapartments.com, where our online slideshow will share all of the details mentioned and more. You can also read tenant testimonials and send us an email through our Contact Us tab. We'd love to hear from you.